And the man of the hour, Kenneth Hiller, is here in person, and we're going to talk about something that we think probably will help you out. It's really some great legal advice, and that is why you should have one lawyer handle your personal injury, disability, and workers' compensation. And Ken, that's a really good question, because I think when we think of lawyers specializing, you may think that I can only go with this person and this person and this person for certain things. But maybe not a good idea.
Well, what I've seen over the years is that lawyers don't always communicate when they're from different law firms. Like you have a workers' compensation lawyer and he's just focused on that, and the benefits are interrelated. For instance, your Social Security benefits can be reduced based on a workers' compensation settlement. When you settle a personal injury case and you pay off your workers' compensation lien, which often happens, you can then get an increase in your Social Security if it's been offset over the years because of workers' comp. And it's good to have one lawyer who's thinking about that throughout the process. For instance, you can settle your workers' compensation case in a certain way to maximize your Social Security benefits.
Oh, okay, I hadn't thought of that. Now, obviously, you've seen clients who are being represented by different people, and some of these things do get kind of lost in the sauce.
I've had people who settled a workers' compensation claim, and once it's settled, it's settled.
Right.
And I said, well, you're going to lose, you just lost $300 per month in your Social Security case.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So how do you ask somebody about that when they start to see you as a client?
Well, we obviously want to know the status of all claims. And if a workers' compensation case is ready to be settled, we work with the carrier to settle it in a way that will maximize what they get in Social Security.
Oh, wow.
And then when you settle a personal injury claim and you pay off the comp lien, we know the process to apply through Social Security to get benefits paid for, because over the years, if you're receiving comp, your Social Security could be reduced. But if you pay off the comp in your personal injury case, you're entitled to a windfall of some back Social Security benefits.
You know, Ken, I never put those two together. And I bet you we probably have people watching who didn't as well. But you're right, you could be looking at a lot of money out of your pocket if your attorney isn't handling everything.
Right, and one thing lawyers are not necessarily good at is communicating with each other. You know?
Well, a lot of people, you know. But yeah, you would think, but you know, not necessarily so. Right. But you know, we've talked about this time and time again. When it comes to a Social Security disability case, a veteran's disability case, you really want to have an attorney with you. You don't want to go this alone, because really the odds are stacked against you. Yes,
2/3 of people get denied in Social Security. Veterans benefits, it's not necessarily that they get denied, but they don't get paid the rating they're entitled to.
Right.
Some people do get denied, but it's usually the rating that is the issue. And your odds of winning are much higher with an attorney.
Now, Ken, if somebody has been receiving benefits for a few years and they realize that they probably are entitled to more, can they go to you and open a new case?
Yes.
To have that increase?
For veterans benefits.
Good to know. For veterans benefits,
veterans and we see that all the time. You know, a veteran is awarded a 70% rating. They should be getting a 100% rating, and that's a huge increase in monthly benefits.
Right.
Yeah.
So there you go, everybody. So if that's you, or if that's someone you know, you may want to go ahead and call the offices of Kenneth Hiller to see if you can get what is rightfully yours. And he's going to really fight for you too, right?
We will.
Fantastic. Yeah. Let's put up Ken's information. And if you need a wonderful attorney, and remember, you should have one lawyer who's handling your personal injury, disability, and workers' comp. You want to make sure you call this number, 1-877-236-7366. That is the law offices of Kenneth Hiller.